Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on Best Buy. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Best Buy and then just order any product that you wish to buy. So for example, let me choose this. I'm just going to add it to my cart and then I'm going to get to the checkout page so that we can look into the payment methods. All right. So just choose as normally how you normally do at any online shopping. So just go to the just choose pick up any choose any item and then add it to your cart and then proceed to the checkout. So just do that. So once you're done with that, so here, so what are you going to do? We're going to like checkout now. I'm going to click on checkout. So just click out checkout and then now what are you going to do? Right, so when I click on checkout, so you can also log in, but I'm just going to check out as a guest. That's fine because I'm not it's just for the video, so you'll just check out as a guest. So when you get to the payment information here, you have the credit and debit card details here, and also you have your PayPal and other payment methods here. And if your region supports Klarna, you should also see Klarna option here. But if you don't see that, then that's fine. Then you can also, what you can do, you can also use this. You can also use the credit or debit card option. So what you can do, you can use your Klarna one-time card. So if you get to your Klarna app and if you access your one-time card, if you need help with generating this your Klarna one-time digital card, so you can look into our video. We have a separate video on this topic, so you can look into it. So here, if you see, this is actually a prepaid Visa card. So what you can do, instead of the credit card, you can use these card details here. You can just plug these details here into this credit or debit card number here. You can plug those details here, and then what you can just fill in all these details, and then you can just place your order with using your Klarna one-time digital card details. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.